I'm just going to be showing you 3 of the new updates with Affinity. And the first one is Stock Studio. So if you click this button over here, you have the option of Pixabay, Unsplash and Pexels. And then you can just type whatever you want into that search bar. So I'm just going to type house. And then obviously all pictures of a house comes up. So I'm just going to type a couple of words. So I'm going to type woman, sea and boat. And so now we've got all these pictures of a woman on a boat. And then you just drag it over to your page. And then it's there. So if you can't find a picture that you want on one of the sites, you can just easily change over to the next and have a look there. So it's just going to save loads of time when you're downloading the photos. And so for the next one, I'm just going to click on any random brush. I'm just going to change the colour to a pink. I'm just going to click this arrow to the side and you can see we've got 2 options, which is symmetry and mirror. So I'm just going to click on symmetry. I'm just going to take a random brush and then paint on one side. It'll obviously paint it on the other side. And you can change what direction you want it to be as well by just moving that line. So I'm just going to click on mirror as well as symmetry, and then I'm just going to paint randomly, and as you can see it's mirrored that line. And so then for the last one, I'm just going to use this picture. And this is just a really easy way of changing the colour of something. So I'm just going to click on HSL. So I'm just going to click on HSL, and then on the ranges button here, I'm going to click on yellow. And then if I just bring that hue slider along, you can see all the yellow in the picture has just changed